This is how I fix OBS showing a black screen when recording, fast and for good. Watch this video before wasting time on useless fixes. Here is the problem I had. OBS was running fine, but it showed a black screen no matter what I tried. The cam was running, OBS was open, but still nothing. Before I show you the exact steps I tried, if this video helps you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if it worked for you. Alright, let me start with the first step I have tried. Here I have the latest OBS Studio version I have installed on my computer, and I watch a lot of video that recommend right click on it and then run as administrator. But I will recommend you right click on OBS, show more option, go to properties, and here let's go to compatibility and just make sure you have selected this, run this program as an administrator, and then OK. You don't need to right click all of the time and run as administrator. After selecting this setting, just come here and double click on the OBS and this will open it for you. The second important thing is if you want to capture any game, please make sure you also have a right click on that specific program or the game and also run that as administrator. So we want to avoid recording screen or permission issues. That's why we are running that specific game that we are going to record as an administrator. The second quick step I have done and want to share with you that just go to graphic setting and here you could see I've added OBS Studio. I've added OBS Studio and I set up GPU preferences as power saving. All right, you could go ahead and you could try both. This depends upon your VGA card, but for me, for my laptop, it's worked as power setting instead of high performance. You could try both, right? But don't forget to restart OBS after setting this up. Now let me tell you how I've added OBS Studio here. Let's go on the desktop, right click on the OBS Studio, show more option, and here we want to open file location. Once you are in OBS file location, just go ahead and copy this path, go back to graphic setting again, and here we want to add desktop app. Once you will click on desktop app, please go ahead and paste the path that you already have copied and press enter. This will take you to the OBS installation folder and you could go ahead and click on add. I've already added it, that's why I'm getting specified app was already added. But after setting each of this option, please go ahead and restart your OBS once. Okay, after setting up all of the important options, then I tried game capture like most people recommend, but it didn't work. Still, I'm getting a black screen. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what actually worked. Let's go to the final fix I have tried, but I just want you to make sure don't miss any of previous option or setting. In your OBS Studio, please go to this plus icon and here we want to go to Windows Capture. That's fine. I want to keep the name as Windows Capture here. The first option we have is we have to select the Windows to record, right? So I am getting Roblox player beta here. I want to record that screen because that screen will have that specific game. Capture method, you could go ahead and select Windows 10, 1903 or up because I have Windows 11 and you could see the Roblox screen is coming on the OBS Studio. Windows match priority, that's fine. I want to keep match title, otherwise find a window of same type. Now I'm ready to click OK. You could see here now that my required game screen is showing on the OBS. I just want to explain you this that if you didn't find your required screen option here, just go ahead and restart your game, right? Close and reopen your game. That will start showing up here. Good. Now let's quickly go ahead and play the game. And you could see this game will be played shortly, but our OBS is showing everything perfectly. Okay, you could also go ahead and try display capture as well. But please note that display capture sometimes doesn't work well with dual GPU laptops. That's why Windows Capture is more stable. Now at the end, I want to show you one more quick step. If you are not able to hear your audio or having problem with your mic, just go to the setting and then go to audio. In desktop audio, please make sure you have selected default. In desktop audio 2, please make sure you have selected your speaker and mix auxiliary audio Please make sure you have select your microphone here. So that's it. Press OK. And that's how I fix the black screen in OBS Studio, fast and without wasting hours on random settings. If this saves your time, drop a like, subscribe for more fixes, and let me know in the comment if it worked for you too. If still doesn't work after this, comment your setup and I will try to help you out.